Hey guys, we have this box from American Girl to open, so let's see what's inside. If this is part of the order, one item is still pending. Let's see. One, two, lots of things in here, you guys. Gosh, I ordered a lot. Let's see, anything else? I think I found them all. Yeah, okay. So let's put this away from the cat. Okay. So, I think it was like a week ago, I got a text message from American Girl, and they said if you spent, I think $100, they give you $20 off or something along those lines. And then I discovered they had these mystery bags. No one told me about these mystery bags, so I had to get a few and see what's inside. But I've been wanting this for a year because I really wanted the cassette player, so I'm happy we have this. Now let's open these mystery packs. So I got 4 of the Christmas ones and 4 of the, I think these are the cooking packs. So let's do the cooking packs first. Let's see, it's just a tin here. So our first set is a frying pan. Excuse me, I've been sick. I've had the flu for like the past 3-4 days. Anyway, so we have a frying pan with some eggs. Let's see, this is kind of heavy. Let's see what this is. I think I did it right. Oh well, we'll have to cut it. Let's see. With a rolling pin and some dough. Anything else? Nope. Okay, so that's done. Let's see what's in this one. This looks like some cheese. Grater and some cheese. Okay. And our last one. Let's see what's inside. We got a salt and pepper set. So that's really cool. We didn't get any duplicates. Now let's check the Christmas ones. I love mystery packs. They're always fun to open up. So let's see what this is. This looks like a Christmas ornament. So you can put that on a tray. Is that it? Oh, and a ring. I don't know if that's going to fit anybody's finger, but we have jewelry and a decoration. So keep those in here. Let's see. In here. Let's see. We have a gingerbread girl and boy. have some peppermint candy and some hot chocolate. I like these, you guys. They're fun. Great stocking stuffers. And our last one. Gingerbread girl, and gingerbread boy. So we have our first duplicate, but we can always use cookies. So that was it. I hope you guys liked our quick American Girl unboxing. There's Apollo being nosy. And, what else? Hope you guys liked it. Pick up some of these mini sets. Great stocking stuffers. I think they were like $8 each. So that's why we got so many. So that's it. Keep watching. Take care. And don't get sick like I did, you guys. It was not fun. Talk to you guys later. Bye.